So this is the tile. I guess they call it orange peel because of the surface of it looks like the peel of an orange. So if you're doing a room like mine, you're eventually going to come to an end of the row and have to make a cut. So I just wanted to give some tips on cutting. I like to use a white marker to make the line and mark it off in a couple of spots, and then use a straight edge to make your cut line. And you have to make several difficult cuts in order to score through and finally get the piece cut. So what I found I like is these titanium coated scissors that you can buy at any hardware store. So for my install, it's in a finished room. So if you have a finished room, I recommend removing the base molding. This way you'll have a nice clean finished look once you install the tiles and then replace the molding back in. And also, because not every room is square, you might not get it exactly alike. So the interlocking of these tiles is very simple. I like to start from the inside corner and then just start pressing in, but you can also use a rubber magnet to press